Hello guys, welcome back to another Make Money Online episode. If this is your first time here, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, we'll be talking about Hive Micro or Hivework. It's the same company. So if you see Hive Micro and you see Hivework, it's relatively the same company. Hive Micro is a crowdsourcing website that pays people to complete micro tasks. Such tasks include audio transcription, data entry, object labeling, and a whole lot more. So without wasting too much time, we will see what they have here on their homepage. Simple task, real money. Make extra money through small jobs you can do anywhere, anytime, and from any device. So Hive Micro is available on the App Store and the Google Play Store, and they hire people worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are from, you can work on Hive Micro and you can work on any device as stated here. And when you go to the Play Store or the App Store, what you would see would be Hivework instead of Hive Micro, but then it's the same company, so you can go ahead and download their app. How it works: 4 easy steps to get paid. All you need is an internet connected device to get started. So step 1, you sign up directly or with your Facebook profile. Step 2, apply for jobs. Step 3, you complete tasks. And step 4, you get paid via PayPal or Bitcoin, which is quite convenient. So if you're in a country that is not supported by PayPal, then you can withdraw your money through Bitcoin, and it's quite easy to own a Bitcoin wallet. So tasks. Each qualifier exam unlocks new tasks for you to do. Examples are: draw a box around an object, categorize the scene in an image, transcribe audio to text, track the same object across frames in a video. Who gives the tasks? A variety of teams from small startups, universities, and large companies come to us to solve big problems like banning hate speech, making videos searchable, or building autonomous vehicles. Many types of jobs. Hive Micro claims they have many types of jobs, which includes categorizations, bounding boxes, audio transcription, semantic segmentations, just classifying each pixel of an image. So they have a total of 1.5 million users and is available across 200 plus countries and have paid a total of $2 million to its members. So head to the sign up page. In order to sign up on Hive Micro, you would have to fill in your name, your email address, create a password, and select the country you are from. And as I said, it's available in almost every country, if not every country. It's available everywhere. So they hire worldwide, and then you choose the language, so you don't necessarily have to speak English. There is Spanish, Portuguese, French, and a whole lot of languages, so whichever is convenient for you, you'd select that. And in order to work on Hive Micro, you would have to be 18 years of age or over, so keep that in mind. So I'll sign into my Hive Micro account to show you how the platform is and how the tasks are on the dashboard. So this is my Hive Micro dashboard, and as you can see, there are a couple of tasks here you can work on. And in order to work on a task, you would have to take a qualification test. Unlock the paid job by completing this test. So they'll give you a set of instructions you would have to follow. Then you would have to start the test and answer the qualification question based on the instructions or guidelines you've been given. So that's how it basically is for every single task on Hive Micro. And it states here that this task pays $35, but then if you look under the $35, it states here that per 1,000 tasks. So you're not going to earn $35 for completing one task. You're going to earn the $35 after you've completed 1,000 tasks. But that doesn't mean that even if you are not able to complete the 1,000 tasks, you are not going to be paid. You are going to be paid the amount relative to the number of tasks you've completed. But then if you're able to complete 1,000 tasks on this task, you would earn a total of $35. And then we have another one here too, which pays $10, and with this also you would have to complete 1,000 tasks to earn $10. So I think the 1,000 tasks is a standard for all the tasks available. So you would have to complete 1,000 tasks to earn the amount stated on each hit up or each task. But then, as I said earlier, the fact that you would have to complete 1000 doesn't mean that if you complete 200 or 300 or 400 you're not going to get paid. You're going to get paid an amount which is relative to the total number of tasks you've completed. So there are quite a number of tasks available to work on Hive Micro. So the payout threshold on Hive Micro is $10. So if you have anything less than $10 in your account, you are not going to get paid. You need to have $10 or above. As I stated earlier, Hive Micro pays through PayPal and Bitcoin. So if you are in a country which does not have PayPal, then you can use Bitcoin, and creating a Bitcoin wallet is quite easy nowadays, and I'm pretty sure anybody can create a Bitcoin wallet. Also, Hive Micro sends out payouts on a weekly basis, so payouts are automatic and it will hit your account once it's ready. So we check the leaderboard. These are the amounts of money earned in a day by a couple of users of Hive Micro. The highest here is $22.68, and that's for completing 5,000 tasks. So looking at the tasks and the payments on Hive Micro, the highest you can earn is between $20 to $30, and as you can see here, the highest earned for today is $22.68, which is quite low. So that is the problem with Hive Micro. Earning a decent amount is quite difficult. You can't earn that much money on Hive Micro, so it's best to have Hive Micro as a side hustle. It cannot be your main source of income because payout is very low here. The second highest amount earned today is $19.78, and that's for completing 4,946 tasks. That's a lot of tasks to earn just a mere $19. If you would want to earn a decent amount on Hive Micro, it will require you to spend a lot of time here, and even with that you're not going to earn that much, so I wouldn't advise you to spend too much time here. You can spend a couple of hours on Hive Micro, but then please don't spend your entire time here because the pay per task is really low, but it can be a decent side hustle. But then if you think $22 to $30 is still going to make a difference in your life depending on where you live currently, and you would want to work on Hive Micro full time, then feel free. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. This is all I have for you today on Hive Micro. Thanks for watching.